Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and I have a recipe to share with you. We are making horchata. Now this is a recipe that I have made up on my own, and I know that there are many to choose from, and you can find some alterations down in the description box below, but this one turned out fabulous and I encourage you to try it out. So that is 4 heaping teaspoons of brown sugar going into my NutriBullet, which had about 2 cups of ice and now about 2 cups of almond milk, as well as some cinnamon and vanilla. Now I'm going to blend this all together, and that way the cinnamon really gets well incorporated. Now I didn't put 2 cups of almond milk to begin with. I just put enough in order to blend it, but I don't want this to be a slushy, so I do add more almond milk once I'm done blending it, as well as about 2 cups of milk and then some heavy cream. If you don't want to use cream, you can just use some full-fat milk. You can still use the non-fat milk as well. The thing is that you don't want to miss the cinnamon. I feel like that's really the key to making this milky drink. It is so refreshing. It is so good. You'll just keep wanting to drink it. Now there's still some chunks of ice in there and still some of that like slushy ice. And as it melts and as all those flavors start to blend together, it just tastes better. Alright, so if you want to check out some of my other recipes, I have left a couple of tutorials here on the screen for you. And if you want to see what we are eating on a daily basis, don't forget that you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.